Imagine our world, but with a crown, a shimmering, impossible arc of light stretching from one horizon to the other. It would be a permanent landmark in our sky, a cosmic rainbow, visible day and night, reflecting sunlight into a perpetual, gentle twilight. Our mythologies, our art, our sense of place in the universe, all would be redefined by this celestial jewel. It would be beautiful, but beauty has a price, and this price would be paid in darkness. The rings would cast a shadow, a vast moving shadow, miles wide, that would crawl across the face of the earth, altering the very climate below. Regions that fell under this permanent umbra would experience a new kind of winter, a colder, more severe winter. This perpetual darkness could plunge entire continents into a global cooling event, reshaping our world. And even outside the shadow, there would be no true night, only an endless, glowing twilight. This would disrupt the ancient rhythms of every living thing, confusing the patterns of predator and prey. The beauty in the sky would become a constant, lethal threat, because a ring is not static, it decays. This constant decay would create a perpetual meteor shower, a rain of fire over the planet's equator. Our technology would be crippled. Satellites in equatorial orbit would be useless, their signals scattered, their hulls pitted by debris. Space travel itself would become a suicide mission. The shimmering cage would lock us in, turning our planet into a beautiful, inescapable prison. But the greatest terror is not what the rings would do. It is what they are. They are not a gift. They are a scar, the tombstone of a murdered world, hanging forever in our sky. To create a ring, something must be destroyed. A celestial body must venture too close to its planet. It enters a gravitational kill zone known as the Roche limit, where tidal forces begin to tear it apart. The planet's gravity shreds it into billions of pieces, forming a disk of dust and rock. So this is our new reality. We live under the glittering ghost of our own moon, a constant reminder of cosmic violence. And yet, life would adapt. The rings, a barrier to the stars, would become the ultimate map for those on the ground. A giant, celestial clock, its moving shadows and shepherd moons marking the passage of time with perfect precision. Our culture would be born from this duality. Would we worship the rings as a sign of divine power, or would we fear them as a perpetual omen of our own fragility, a serpent in the sky? The science of the rings would become our highest calling, a desperate attempt to understand the forces that both adorn our sky and hold us captive. To have rings would be to live with a constant truth, that the universe is not a peaceful garden, but a violent, beautiful, and indifferent machine. The rings would be our cosmic memento mori, a shimmering scar reminding us that even planets and entire worlds can die.